We have a Vivo Y16, and today I will show you how you can rearrange your home screen, like adding widgets, changing icon style, and other like that things. So we start from the widgets. If you want to add some widget to your home screen, just hold your finger on it and click widgets. Now choose your desired widget and just hold it and drop it in the desired place. If you want to resize it, hold it again and slide on this little edge. You can now increase and decrease the size of it. And that's it for the widget. If you want to make a folder, just hold the app and drop it on another app. As you can see, now we have a folder. To change the name of it, just click here. Okay, if you want to change the icon shape, just hold your finger again and click on Home Settings. Now click here, and now you can change the corners of your icons and size of it. As you can see, now my icons are rounded. So if you want to change the color of your menu bar, go to the Home Settings again. We have to go to the settings and click here on lock screen and wallpaper. Now go to the UI color, and here you can change it. And the last thing, if you want to change the home screen animation, go back in the settings and choose dynamic effects. Now click here, and now you can choose the home screen animation. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, and goodbye.